Hey guys, so Evelix leaked the official render that revealed some new tidbits about the Nokia 9 PureView. And MySmartPrice also leaked the official promo video that showed new interesting things about the latest Nokia camera phone. And as expected, the video focuses heavily on the smartphone's revolutionary 5 camera setup that can be found on the rear. The exact function of each camera remains unclear at the moment, but the brand's software implementation will permit the capture of 5 simultaneous shots. Alongside this, users will have access to detailed depth of field controls through the Google Photos app, where they can also refocus an image after it has been taken. Also present among the feature set is the ability to capture 10 times more light than a regular smartphone camera. Moving away from photography, the presence of 6-inch 18:9 display, which is coupled with a new in-display fingerprint scanner, is confirmed. As previously suggested by logo found on the smartphone's rear, the Nokia 9 PureView will also become the latest device to join the Android One program when it launches next year. This means that besides stock Android 9 Pie straight out of the box, owners should expect updates to Android Q and Android R once they arrive. Completing the smartphone's package will be wireless charging support, the Snapdragon 845, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The Nokia 9 PureView still doesn't have an official release date, but according to recent information, the device will go official towards the very end of January and sales starting in February. This means the flagship will arrive roughly 1 month before most other flagship in 2019. So that is it for this video guys. Let me know what do you think about Nokia 9 and its 5 cameras. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.